DJI's long-anticipated Osmo Pocket 4 has become one of the most talked-about upcoming gadgets in the creator community, and for good reason. For months, leaks and insider whispers have been teasing what could be DJI's most exciting compact camera yet. Early rumors hinted at a sleek redesign featuring dual lenses and a more streamlined body. But the latest insider information tells a different and even more intriguing story. According to reliable sources close to DJI's development cycle, the Pocket 4 will place heavy emphasis on advanced zoom capabilities, potentially shifting away from the dual-lens setup many expected. This move suggests DJI is aiming to redefine what creators can achieve in a truly pocket-sized device, bringing pro-level zoom and detail into the palm of your hand. And to make things even more exciting, there are whispers of an enhanced Pocket 4 Pro model coming soon after. The battle between the Osmo Pocket 3 and the upcoming Pocket 4 could become one of the most thrilling rivalries in compact filmmaking history. So buckle up, this is going to be good. When DJI released the Osmo Pocket 3, it was clear that the company had mastered the balance between portability and professional power. With its impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor and the ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second, the Pocket 3 quickly won over vloggers, travelers, and creators worldwide. It was small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to deliver crisp, cinematic footage that rivaled much larger setups. The 3-axis gimbal was a game-changer, offering buttery smooth stabilization even in fast-paced or handheld situations. Whether filming while walking, running, or vlogging on the move, the Pocket 3 handled it all with ease. Its rotating 2-inch touchscreen also made a big difference. Intuitive, bright, and perfect for framing yourself or your subject on the go. Combined with DJI's reliable autofocus and impressive low-light capabilities, the Pocket 3 became a creator's favorite. It was the perfect blend of technology and simplicity, showing that great filmmaking tools don't have to be bulky or complicated. But as always, technology evolves, and DJI seems ready to push the limits once again with the rumored Pocket 4. Early reports indicate that the next generation model may come equipped with a brand new 1-inch sensor, possibly upgraded with better low-light performance and enhanced dynamic range. This means richer shadows, more natural highlights, and cleaner details, even in dimly lit environments where most compact cameras struggle. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 is its potential ability to record 4K at a stunning 240 frames per second. That would open the door to ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, perfect for action scenes, cinematic storytelling, and artistic shots that capture every subtle detail. Another exciting update could be in the design and usability. Insiders claim that the Pocket 4 will feature a slightly larger 2.5-inch touchscreen, giving creators more space for precise touch controls and a clearer live preview. There are also talks of an upgraded autofocus system that includes face and eye tracking, similar to what we see in high-end mirrorless cameras. This would make solo shooting much easier, ensuring your face or subject stays perfectly sharp even during movement. And perhaps the most intriguing part, whispers of a collaboration with Hasselblad, the legendary camera brand known for its exceptional color science. If true, we could see a major leap in natural color accuracy and tonal depth, making footage straight out of the Pocket 4 even more visually striking. All signs point to the Pocket 4 being more than just an upgrade. It's shaping up to be a creator's dream tool. Compact, powerful, and smarter than ever, it could easily become the new gold standard for handheld filmmaking. So, what does this all mean for creators? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 still stands tall as one of the most capable and well-balanced handheld cameras on the market. It's reliable, versatile, and has proven itself in the hands of countless filmmakers and vloggers. But if the leaks surrounding the Osmo Pocket 4 are accurate, DJI might be preparing to raise the bar once again. Not with small improvements, but with a true leap forward. The next generation of pocket filmmaking could bring unmatched zoom power, enhanced image quality, and smarter autofocus, all packed into a design that fits in your palm. Whether you're capturing travel memories, cinematic scenes, or creative vlogs, the Pocket 4 could be the tool that takes your storytelling to the next level. This is Technify, and we'll be keeping a close eye on this exciting release. Stay tuned for more updates, comparisons, and in-depth looks at the latest innovations shaping the future of filmmaking.